Good
Ya,
afternoon, everyone. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and salam kebajikan for us all. My Honorable Mr. Haryana MA and my proud colleagues, I am Sarah Fatimah with student ID 6670250218, the moderator who will guide with the presentation of Group 6. For today, English Academy Purpose course, which is taught my leader, Mr. Haryana MA, and let me introduce our two research person and two participants who ask questions.
Okay, my name is Nadia Molina,
My
and
name
NIM
is Abigail Siti.
66725001.
my name is Nurlaila dan 670250210.
And my name is Aulia Sayati with NAM 6670250005.
Ini Salwa Salsabila NIM 66702500009.
And we will discuss a fundamental topic, democracy, concept, dynamic, and challenge in Indonesia. This topic is urgently need for us to understand, especially amidst the issues of democracy, backsliding, and the role of digitalization in our politics. Without further ado, let us welcome Nadia, Maulina, and Nurlaila as resources who are ready to present their material. We invite you and friends to choose our time and place. Nadia and Nurlaila.
Yes, boleh. Okay, why democracy? People safe. Nah, etymology democracy comes for the Greek name demos, which mean people, and kratos, which mean power of government. In this democracy in a system of papal sovereignty, where the base power in the hand of the people. However, democracy is much broader than just the finally getting election process. The value system, the greater three main proper qualities and 14 of human rights rising the is the ecology and political foundation of the state. Okay, main two phase of democracy. Jadi this is perceived in political science democracy if of view from two sides. Production democracy this is the formal aspect echoes on Dominican show as the action of regular, free, and fair election ample system and the realization of power in is of claim. Minimal democracy because in only force of the process subtains democracy. This is the quality which is our ultimate goal. Subtly democracy is I see if the system is able to power social justice, guard civil liberties, protect minorities' rights, and ensure law enforcement. Indonesia has so in implementing production, but our challenge is how to achieve the real substantiation. Okay. Uh, Crichton Count of the Democracy Index 2024. The the Democracy Index, why is the character condition of true democracy. Based on data show as the Indonesia Democracy Index percent literacy here, we see inculcating production as so as voting right and gender equality. So realities good or high cross. However, why not is everything they clean in the aspect of fan of expression and perform of democracy institution, the figure in can the cloud the electoral to plea the quality of civil literaries and the independent of institution analytic the real the clear the kill kayak this is a sign of the waking of subtension of democracy. Analysis framework the right to analysis the phenomena which can also re- very relevant the regional framework democracy constellation according to List and Stem. Democracy is calling when it become the only game in one, meaning to know civic politic actor attend to seize power out the pen of consolation. Democracy Indonesia is still to reach the point. Democracy Becklin, Lacy, and Zibe explained in the book The Today Democracy Rally Days because on familiar cops. Intense it's the slow through from wit to get to halt the great making of intention. So, as the conclusion, the corporate external commission, the House repression by legitimity, electricity, leaders the every relevant to our politic dynamic.
Nah, my challenge, Indonesia demokrasi face serious structural challenge after reform. One, dentic politics closing the opportunity of monarchy and perpetuating power in a power elites. Two, high political costs, triggering policy corruption and tactical money politics. Uh, what three, legal lacking supervisory institutions such as KPK and MK are expressing a series of public truths still daisy. Nah, my challenge uh, one, this is a serious problem because it closes the door of mercenary and perpetuates power only to certain elite calculus not beside one compets. Two, high political, this phenomenon fingers transtical politics, political down, and political corruption because political most return high competical to be election for the say. Uh, the last one, allow and enforcement in institution and supervisors such as the constitutional KPK express a crisis of confidence due to because they are not because and this in independent. Next, boleh di next. Nah, so challenge in the digital era, polarization, the division of society due to sharp identity political makes the public dialogue space become toxic and full of hatred. Selanjutnya, disinformation, the spread of hoax and propaganda on social media distorts the truth, making it difficult for voters to make rational decisions. Apathy, disappointment toward the elite triggers guilt or fake participation only coming to the TPS regardless of the program. So, polarization society is surely defeated due to in the Nancy political, making the public dialogue space very toxic and minimally tolerance. This information, the message spread of hoax, often driven by structured business group, distorts the truth and make it the difficult for voters to make rational decisions. Nah, the last one, apathy, disappointment with the quality of the political elite triggers distrust and indifference, which is sent from participation that is only formal. Next. Next. Nah, so studi election and institution constitutional ethics controversy, one of the sharp headlines in the latest Indonesia democracy is the debate regarding the decision of the Constitutional Court MK regarding the legal limit of presidential and vice presidential candidates. And this case in important lesson that formal legally valid is not necessarily in line with ethical legitimacy. A healthy democracy requires an independent referred institution and formal from conflict of interest. So, custody, election, and institution, uh, as the as the case study pay attention to the controversy surrounding constitutional elections that occurring in the next election. The debate about the decision of the constitution called MK regarding the of and now hope however we must not fraud the extinct opportunity. Next. Next, opportunity now hope, demographic and digitalization, uh, cortical youth generation Gen Z and millennials dominate the voters more critical of environmental issue and corruption. Through digital activism, social media facilitas public supervision, viral for justice, and government transparency. Uh, next, next. The last one, conclusion, democracy is not the ultimate goal, but a also active fire and prosperous society. Indonesia must move from just procedural democracy to substantial democracy by strengthening law, enforcement, political ethics, and meaningful public participation. So, uh, democracy is not the ultimate goal, but a tool to active, just and prosperous security. Indonesia has a big task to move by one use procedural democracy to substantial democracy. The key is strike the mic political ethics, independence of law, enforcement, and improving the quality of mean- meaningful public participation. Democracy is a sustainable project, and the responsibility in is the hand of always all of wise. Next.
Okay, I extend my deepest gratitude to Nadia and Nurlaila for their enlightening and comprehensive presentation. We have gained a clear understanding from the distinction between procedural and substantive democracy to a critical analysis of the phenomenon of democracy backsliding and digital challenge in Indonesia. And now it's time for the most dynamic session, the Q&A and discussion session. In accordance with the closing question posed by the presenter, namely, is democracy in Indonesia currently experiencing a black landing, or is it entering a turbulent phase of maturity? Let's discuss this and other points that emerge from the material. I will open to a Q&A session. I will give the opportunity to two participants. Participants, please raise your hand and introduce yourself and your student ID number before asking question. Please keep your question concise and direct and address them to the rescue person. Uh, please raise hand. Okay, the first questioners is from Aulia, and the second questioner is from Salwa. Time and place are available for Aulia.
Thank you, moderator. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Sayandi with NIM 6670250005. Let me start by asking a few questions. First is why is the distinction between procedural and substantial democracy crucial for evaluating the real quality of a political system? And the second one, how does the decline in civil liberties, as shown in Indonesia's Democracy Index 13, democratic consolidation? And then I will end my question here. Thank you for the time, moderator.
Okay, next is the second Q&A. Salwa, please ask your question.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salwa Salsabila and NIM 667025009. So here I will ask two question. First question, wait. What is the main difference between a procedural democracy and substantial democracy? And the last question, why is the weakening of institutions such as the Anti-Corruption Commission and the Constitutional Court considered a sign of democratic decline? Okay, thank you, moderator.
Salwa, and I take your question into consideration first. Oke, makasih.
Wait. Thank you for your thoughtful and insightful question. We invite the research person to respond and answer the question. Nadia, Maulina, and Nurlayala. Nadia, Maulina, and Nurlayala can answer. Or Nadia and Nurlayala can answer.
Sarah Fatima, can can I ask for some time to discuss first?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Permission to answer the questions, Owl. One, why is the distinction between procedural and substantial democracy crucial for evaluating the real quality of a political system? So, destination matters because a county may fulfill election project election particle voting, yet still file the delivery just like equality and protection of right. Procedural democracy can exist without meaningful participation of accountability rights mean the system might be democracy only on paper. Substantial democracy evaluates the per outcome, fair law enforcement, civil liberty, minority production, reversing whether democracy truly works for schizy, not just elites.
Okay. Thank you. I will answer the question, Sawa. Why is the making of institutions so as the corruption come in the consulate court consi as again of democracy deadline answer uh, overnight in institution like the Anti-Corruption Commission and the Constitutional Court extend to play a base of power when the when when here it get an independent weak a legal process become unfair political decision can be influenced by fan interest and government uncountable discrete. The situation reflects democracy because where democracy the restart from with the system. Thank you, Sawa.
Yeah, thank you, Nadia, for the answer. The answer is very helpful. Thank you.
I answer the second question. I will. So how do we how, how do we the deadline in civil liberties as so in Indonesia democracy index Delton democracy conclusion answer so democratic consolidation request Robert freedom, space, fresh ascension, so citizens can hold power accountable when civil liberty decline. Oversight reckon political critical because risky and the public's share shrink. This allows Alexander to govern with less security, which opened the door to out, authoritarian financial and institutional manipulation. The system may look democracy, but become fried from white.
Thank you for your kind and respectful answer, Laila.
Okay. I will answer the question, Sawa. What is the threat by prudential democracy and subsidiaritas democracy? Answer political democracy force of formal forces saw as elected power region and the size of political parties. In contrast, subtitle democracy implies the quality of democracy outcome including the protect of human rights, fair law, overcome and social welfare and democracy in consider ideal win in not only followers further but always feel the value and quality of democracy itself. Thank you, Salwa.
Okay, thank you, Nadia. Very good answer.
Okay, we will end of session Q&A. We have re reaction at the end of the event. The important conclusion we can draw from our discussion today is that democracy is an unfinished business. In Indonesia, our greatest challenge is no longer simply holding election, but rather how we can ensure substantial democracy, a system that guarantees justice, ethics, and the independence of institutions. Let us conclude this insightful sessions. Thank you for the speaker for their extraordinary contributions, and thank you to all participants for their active participation and thoughtful question. Hopefully, we can apply the knowledge we have gained today in our daily lives as responsible citizens. I am Sarah Fatima, the moderator. Please excuse me. Good afternoon and see you at the next scientific forum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.